All right, so here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to clean up skin, like remove like the amount of detail and texture and gloss it up a little bit. So you can see right here, there's a couple little bruises, a little mini tattoo, and a little scar. So we'll clean that up real quick. First, we're going to use the stamp tool, which is right here, and you just hold Option, and it takes the color from one area and puts it in another one. So you just go doot, doot, doot. You can adjust the opacity up here if you want, and then the size. You could right click and make it harder or softer. Soft means it's got a blurrier edge. It's not as obvious. Make it smaller and bigger. And yeah, you right click here and then you can do that. So Option again to get your where you're going to select from. I'll do another one real quick right here. Option, click, and now it's pulling from right there. Now the other one we're going to do is the spot healing tool. You press J on your keyboard, or it's right here, uh, spot healing. And now we can go over here, and that'll do pretty much the same thing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it gets a little crazy and doesn't. But so it's a little bit more like AI-ish. So the first one I showed you is manual. So now that we've got pretty much the major uh, distractions, if you will, gone, we're going to go up here to filter, and we're going to go to camera raw filter, and then we're going to go here to mask, and let's hit subject. It's going to grab the whole subject, but then we're going to go to subtract and down to brush. And now we got I'm going to use the right bracket. There's right and left bracket to make this bigger. But yeah, I'm just going to subtract all the way down there. Then I'm going to shrink this down. I don't know why they don't have Adobe's standard selection tools available in here. If you find them, tell me. Anyways, it doesn't have to be perfect because the whole idea is to remove perfection. Even that can stay. I mean, doesn't matter. We can do this and add it back in if we want. But I mean, seriously, that was not even a big offense. So now we're going to scroll down here and we're going to go way down here to texture and clarity. I'm going to get rid of this overlay so we can see what we're doing here. Zoom in a little for you. Oops. Oh, I'll just leave it there. And now texture. Let's remove the texture a little bit. So I'll go really far. You can see that, like, so you don't want to do that. I mean, unless that's the effect you're going for. But yeah, so texture and clarity, those are the two that you're really going to want to like tinker with. And you can go really far, and all the way around. So, after you drop, your 20 or so here, and the texture you can go all the way up. So see that. So, um, yeah, I mean, I'm sure if it was well, but yeah. See, so you can go the other way if you want to, but I don't think that's what we're doing. Um, so yeah, there we go. Like that's already, if this is what you're going for and you need a shot like this for whatever. Oh, you see that? And that's after the stamp tool and stuff. So yeah, I mean, pretty quick and basic way to do it. You can almost mass produce this type of stuff. If you've got a big photo shoot and you're doing lots of it. So hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments. Hit like. Thanks.